Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk all things beauty and skincare. In today's video, we are going to be talking about natural remedies for dry and dull skin. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Do you struggle with dry and dull skin? Well, you're not alone. Many of us face this problem, especially during the colder months. But don't worry, we have got you covered with some natural remedies that can help rejuvenate your skin. First on the list is honey. Honey is a natural humectant that helps to lock in moisture and hydrate the skin. Simply apply a thin layer of honey onto your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water, and you'll notice an instant difference in your skin's hydration. Next up, we have two kitchen staples, avocado and banana. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and nutrients that nourish and hydrate the skin. And banana is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help to brighten the skin. Mash half an avocado and half a banana together, and apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Another great natural remedy for dry and dull skin is green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and reduce redness. Simply brew some green tea, let it cool, and use a cotton pad to apply it to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Last but not least, we have oatmeal. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells and promote skin cell turnover. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and calm the skin. Mix a tablespoon of oatmeal with some warm water to create a paste. Apply it to your face, gently massaging it in circular motions. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with water. So those were some of our favorite natural remedies for dry and dull skin. Incorporating these into your skincare routine can help you achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.